What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it was short, but I hope you enjoyed that little cinematic that CCK's put together. A huge shout out to him. Unlike the Dodge Charger video where we had like a huge rig with the camera and multiple people helping out, on this one it was just me and him. He came down on a random Saturday and we just shot for a few hours. He did everything handheld, which is crazy. So huge shout out to him again. The guy's amazing, super talented, and I'm gonna put his Instagram down below. Go give him a follow. He drops amazing content all the time, working on crazy projects. But I just want to give a quick update on the car. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that the person who was supposed to weld up the car, or weld up at least that rear quarter panel, got COVID. So we're kind of just been stuck waiting on him to get back to me saying he's out of quarantine. But until then, obviously we just want to play safe, not interact with him. That should be done pretty soon. Once that gets done, we will put the entire kit back on and the car should be ready to go. A few smaller updates that you'll see in the next video. We got the gasketing that's going to go around the body kit. So this is from Clinch, and it was a little bit pricey for just rubber gasketing, but I'm sure you can find something similar on Amazon. I just wasn't sure if it was going to be exactly the same or better quality or whatnot. So I went ahead and ordered this from Clinch, and we'll get that on the body kit after we install it. And then the other things I have is like a U-channel gasket, and this is going to go around places like right here where we have a cut. So obviously I'm gonna paint this black, not too much, but like about an inch high, and then from there put this gasketing around it just to make it a little bit more waterproof and resistant to the weather. And in case the tire ever touches it, it rips this off instead of gets cut up by the metal. And then off camera I've been doing a bunch of other work, like cutting up the front lip. I kind of mentioned it before that if you have a front lip, especially the one that's not from Lionsgate, you're gonna have to adjust or make some changes. So I went ahead and cut the inside of flare that comes off the edge, and just so it has enough space where the body kit will sit inside of it, and then you can just kind of bolt the lip to the body kit, just make it one big piece. And I think it would just look nicer. But yeah, other than that, this car is coming to a close in terms of getting the wide body kit on. I decided I'm gonna go order some coilovers pretty soon. That way we can lower this car as soon as the wide body kit is on, or put the coilovers on before we actually send the car off to paint. So that way if any little adjustments need to be made, they can. And from there, I think we're gonna have a bunch of small things to do around the car, like getting or redoing the entire wheel well and just closing everything up and just making it look stock as possible again. I think that's my goal, just make it look as clean as possible so that you're not seeing cuts or you're not seeing paint underneath the body kit and stuff like that. A lot of attention to detail stuff that needs to be completed, but I'm sure we can handle that once the car gets back from paint or before we send it off to paint. Another thing, if anyone's looking for a Dodge Charger spoiler with a wicker bill installed, I'm trying to get rid of this thing, so reach out on Instagram. I'll give you a good price on it, and it'll probably be just the price of the wicker bill. To be honest, I'm not gonna make you pay for the whole thing. So reach out on Instagram, and I'm sure we can work something out. But in terms of the E30, as soon as this project is done, I know we have a lot of new subscribers because of this crazy project right here, and TikTok is blowing up because of it. I know we haven't seen the E30 on the channel for a little while, but as soon as we get this done, we're gonna start reworking on the E30, get everything completed on there, basically get it ready for the summer. I wanna drive that car a lot more in the summertime when the weather's nicer, and just make it look as clean as possible. So as of right now, we need to redo the entire suspension, repaint the car, fix up any small issues with the rust. Obviously, like the rear battery tray, that's a very common place. The rear valence on the back of the bumper, that's another place. So fix up as many small things as possible, get that car ready to go for the summer, be cruising in that. If you like this video, go down, subscribe, hit like so that other people can see it, and go give a follow to CC Case again. He does amazing work. He's always shooting my videos and my content for me whenever I need him to. So again, huge shout out to you if you're watching this. Stay tuned for the end of this build right here. I know it's gonna be crazy once it's actually done. Again, I think I'm still #1 in Maryland with a wide body kit charger, let alone a Lions kit charger. So that's exciting. You guys are gonna wanna stay tuned for all the rest of the car builds. So we got this, the E30 and the Corvette. And the Corvette should be started. We're gonna do some small stuff, not major things, but at least start on that car and just get it running a little bit nicer. So again, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.